Hi everyone. So today I am going to tell you how to operate laryngoscope and how to do the basic maintenance of the laryngoscope. See, this is an called laryngoscope handle and this is a laryngoscope blade. So we have different four type of blades are there according to size and numbers. So during use of patients, for the patients we are using this laryngoscope for the intubation, right? वेंटिलेटर कनेक्ट करने के टाइम पे जो ट्यूब डालते हैं पेशेंट के अंदर, राइट? इंटूबेट करते हैं पेशेंट, वो टाइम पे ये ट्रैकिया पाथ एक्नॉलेज करने के लिए हम लोग लारेंजोस्कोप यूज करते हैं. तो लारेंजोस्कोप में क्या है बेसिकली, दिस इज अ हैंडल. हैंडल में क्या रहता है, सेल्स रहते हैं. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व these are the two cells, 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt. These are the cells which are under the laryngoscope handle. And next one is blade, right? Blade consists of one small LED bulb. This is a bulb which gives a light, right? With help of this light we can identify the track at the time of intubation. So this is a handle, this is a blade. How to connect? See, you can take it like this and you just connect, right? After connection, what happens? Suppose I am going to take this one. See, after connection you can observe this is a indication light. You can observe this is a light. See, can you observe this? With help of this light you can identify the trachea, right, at the time of intubation. Sometime what happen, at the emergency this bulb is not switching on, right? It will not glow. That time what you have to do, you just check the cells. How to replace the cells? Just rotate it, remove the cells, take new one and insert the cells. After replacing cell, then also if bulb will not glow, see how to connect it. But sometime what happen, we replace cell by new one, then also LED will not switch on. So that time what you have to do, you have to replace the bulb. How to replace the bulb? You just keep it like this. You just rotate it, right? Rotate it and remove the bulb. So take new bulb in spare at our department, in the maintenance department. So how to test this LED is glown or not? If you remove this handle, take this bulb and put it like this. See, now this bulb is gone, right? If you put it like this, it will be on. See, you can observe. See, you can observe closely. 1 minute. See, it is on. Remote, right? It is a switching on. In this way you can check this bulb is working or not, right? How to check? Again I am repeating. See, this is a bulb. What you have to do, take this bulb, this nip you have to just keep it like this and it will show you bulb is on or not, right? And replace this bulb like this. Just remove it, rotate it, remove it and insert another bulb and it will be on. And once you replace the bulb, once you replace the cell, you just check this in this way, right? Your laryngoscope will be on. Okay, this is your laryngoscope. Okay, chalo, thank you.
I will, sir.